In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively analyze customer feedback using Hubspot. Mastering this process is key to improving your customer service and boosting satisfaction. So let's dive right in. To start off, you'll need to log into your Hubspot account. Once you're grounded on the homepage, it's time to navigate to the part of the platform where all the magic happens. Service, Feedback. You can find this section by heading over to the top menu. This is where HubSpot houses all feedback-related functionality, so that's where we'll begin. With your footing solidly established in the service section, your next step is to select the feedback surveys you want to analyze. HubSpot allows you to gather various types of feedback from your customers, be it through net promoter scores, customer satisfaction surveys, or other feedback mechanisms. Choose the surveys that are most relevant to your analysis needs or the ones that have recently been completed for updated insights. Now comes the fun part, diving into the data. HubSpot offers built-in reports, which are a treasure trove for reviewing customer satisfaction scores and comments. These reports are formatted to provide you with a clear overview of how your customers perceive your service. As you explore these reports, take a moment to dig into the comments left by customers. These comments can offer a deeper understanding of the numbers you see and might reveal underlying trends or issues that scores alone can't capture. To make your analysis even more precise, you can filter the data by date, product, or even customer segment. This is especially useful if you're looking to understand how specific products are performing or if your focus is on a particular segment of your customer base. HubSpot's filtering options allow you to slice and dice the data to get insights that are tailored to your specific needs. Whether it's understanding the current month's trends or looking at feedback for a particular line of products, these filters can add indispensable context to what the feedback is telling you. After you've gleaned valuable insights from your analysis, you'll want to put them into action. HubSpot makes it simple to export these insights or share dashboards directly with your team. By exporting the data, or sharing comprehensive dashboards, you ensure that everyone is on the same page and can collaborate effectively to address any issues or capitalize on positive feedback. It also opens the door for strategic discussions during team meetings, ensuring that the entire team is working towards enhancing the customer experience. And there you have it. You've gone from logging in to analyzing data, and finally to sharing key insights with your team for actionable results. By making full use of the tools HubSpot offers in its feedback section, you're well on your way to elevating your customer service game and ultimately boosting customer satisfaction. Thanks for watching and happy analyzing.